Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to use Suno AI. First, open your browser and search Suno AI in the search bar. Click on the first link, Suno, shown in the first place. The Suno website will open and you will see various songs generated by AI. Go down to view more AI-generated songs. You will see the views and likes of the audience. Click on the sign up button on the left side to create an account. Select an account like Google or Microsoft account to continue with Suno. For demonstration, I choose Google. Select the account and click on Continue. You can create your own song using Suno AI. To create the music, click on the Create button on the left side. Add a short description of your song. Toggle on Instrumental to create an instrumental song. Click on Create to create a song according to your description. You have to wait a few seconds during the process. It will give you options according to your description. Click on the songs to play. Click on the three dots of the song and you will see different options. You can share it using a link or to the public. You can also reuse the prompt. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.